can never remember what's happening with this thing. Okay. I know, and I still can't understand it. It's like if I had a light that just said recording with a light, I'd probably still go, does this mean it's recording? Does this mean that it's not recording? Woo, I should not look right at that light. Holy. What's my intro? Good evening, friends. No, that's creepy. Oh yeah. All right. Hi, I'm Jay with Classic Kitchens, Etc. And I have my hands like this. Okay. Hi, this is Jay. Nope, I'm Jay. Hi, I'm Jay with Classic Kitchens, Etc. And today we are touring our latest kitchen remodel and things. Yeah. Something to think about when you're laying out your kitchen, period. And yeah, I end that terribly. I feel like you're trying to flag me down.
No, I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
I'll just say something.
Yeah. I see this, but it's you're just doing it, but I can't see. That's the problem. I don't have my glasses on, so I see something happening, and I'm like, what? Huh? Okay. So yeah. So this is a Zephyr hood range. These are nice. I like these. But I'm wondering, how does this work? Oh boy. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh, that's easy. Okay, so, it has a little fan. Yeah, it has a little thing. See? And then you just push it. Oh, it has a 4 turbo. And it has a 5. Wow. Oh my God, it has a 6. I've never seen anything like this. It does not have a 7. Okay. Wow, that's nice. And then it has some lights too. So that's pretty cool, you know, while you're cooking. Obviously, you need some lights. And let's see who that is. Go to the tail of the tape. You know I love measuring stuff. 8 inches. So cabinet, I'm not saying so, yeah. Cabinet black. And we still got to fit in. Yeah, and then the Peninsula was here. I remember now. And so we decided we did something though, that had maybe some kind of a, what do we do? Do we add this wall or do we put a beam in here? I don't remember, something happened. Anyways, we did something and we made this space. And do you remember what happened? I added this wall.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, that was it. I was like, what are we doing? Oh, so this beam was here, and then we added this wall.
Right.
Yeah. Because we wanted to have a separation between the two spaces.
Right, because this isn't the same. We're gonna go.
Right. Correct. So now I'm seeing it.
All right.
Oh, perfect.
So I got
No. We're keeping that in. So, Debbie just explained to us what we did. So we had a wall here, or we didn't have a wall here, you know, and fancy. And now see, they had it all decorated all nice with real fruit. No, it's not real fruit, but it looks cool. Looks very cool. I got you. All right. So that was, yeah, just edit out that look that I gave. I'm like, where's that pointing? Oh, we got some good protein up here. That's whey protein. Oh, fast metabolizing. Fancy. So, you know, great rooms is the kitchen and okay, there's one more thing. 2 more things. All right, so now that we got the entertainment center figured out, or not design, I don't like any of that. Now that I've shown you the entertainment center, now you have earned the right to see the fireplace. I don't know. All right. And that's the entertainment center, and that's the ball game. And that's the entertainment center area. And now let me show you the fireplace area. I can't do it, seriously. I don't know. It just can't happen. That whole long thing that I just said. Which is amazing. I really didn't sit in the water. Oh, actually I did. It is wet, yeah, but not bad. It's fine. It just looks like I sat in water or something else happened. My home turf, not Newport. More on the east side, but you know. Ack.
Look in here.
Hold on. There we go. Now how is it? It's probably even better. Ah, you're in the frame.
That's okay. Yeah, here we go.
All right.
Now
We added this small window here so we could keep some light coming in here. And I just totally stumbled. Right. Keep some question on the back row. But they are very nice. And I would never say anything bad about them, ever. The floor is the moose peak like we have throughout the rest of the house. Oh, the tile floor. Oh, yeah, inside the shower. All right, and then let me show you how we
You don't look all that pretty with the light on.
Great. I'm ugly in the shadows, is that what you're saying?
Saying, sometimes people put on there.
So I shouldn't live under a bridge. That's good to know. I'll think on that, yeah. It would help me with my mortgage payment. All right. And that is all. And I'm looking at both cameras, so you're gonna have real fun with that.
And it's like every other word, and I'm over here.
Keeps it interesting.
Yeah.